Okay, proceed tayo with another example. This time, we have an expression 21b plus 63b squared. Okay? So, notice, dalawa yung common, no? Sa expression, numerical coefficient, tapos pareho ring b yung variable, ha? So, dito muna tayo, no? 21 and 63. So, can 21 be divided by 21? Yes, di ba? Next question is 63 divisible by 21? If it is, therefore 21 yung isa sa least common 21 yung okay, no? 21 can be the greatest common factor, no, for 21b and 63b squared. So divide natin by we divide it by 21. What about b? Pwede ba? Pwede rin, no? B. So 21b divide natin. Okay, so 21b divided by 21b will leave us with 1 over 1. Ito naman, plus 63 divided by 21 will leave us with 3. Diba? Okay. This will be 3. This will be 1. Ito naman, this will be 1. This will be 1. This will be 1. This will be 1. So, 3. We are dividing variables with exponents. So b sub 2 b squared divided by b. Sabi natin ano lang gagawin natin? We simply subtract the exponent, no? We will copy the variable and subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1 understood to na 1, di ba? So ano matitira? B raised to 1. Okay? So ano yung magiging final ano natin, no? Ang final answer natin dito will be 1 plus 3b. Okay? Kaya lang ito, this is not the final answer. Ito yung simplified version, no? Kung isi-simplify natin yung 21b and 63b, ito yung simplified version niya. Pero ang tinatanong kasi is ano yung magiging factor, no, ng 21b plus 63b squared. Okay? Using this, pwede na nating ibigay yung final answer, no, which is the factor. Okay? So magiging ano siya, no, magiging quantity 1 plus 3v multiplied by 21b. Okay? 21b times 1. Check natin kung tama yung final answer, no? 21b multiplied by 1 will give us 21b. 21b multiplied by 3b will give us 63. b multiplied by b, parehong 1 yung exponent niya, will give us 63b squared. So tama itong factoring na nagawa natin, no? 21b times quantity 1 plus 3b. Okay. So ayan yung final answer. Mali. So ayan yung final answer. Okay? Easy lang. Basta susundan mo lang yung yung paano, no? So ito yung final factor, no? If we will factor 21b plus 63b, the factor of it will be 21b times quantity 1 plus 3b.